2.4 billion pounds of sunflower seeds, transformed into liquid gold. From here, the seeds begin their transformation. The cyclone separator efficiently removes dust through a spinning vortex. The clean air exhausts, while the collected magnetic separator, metal removal. Powerful rare earth magnets extract ferrous contamination, protecting downstream equipment.
99.7% pure, ready for the silos.
An aeration system forces conditioned air through the silo floor, controlling temperature and moisture to prevent spoilage.
$127 tons per hour, around the clock.
System, second pass dehulling. Partially dehulled seeds return to the impact mill for second treatment, ensuring maximum kernel recovery.
Kernel prep. Excellent.
Conditioning stages. Progressive heating. Kernels pass through 5 conditioning stages. The temperature rises gradually. Steam and heat adjust kernel moisture to optimal 6% for pressing. Too wet or dry reduces yield. Conditioned kernel discharge, ready for pressing. Hot, softened kernels exit conditioning at 100. Crushed to 0.3 millimeters, thinner than paper.
.28 millimeters, optimal for extraction.
press 75% of the oil. But we don't stop there.
Hexane, the key to extracting every last drop.
Appearance. Spent flake discharge, defatted meal. Extracted flakes exit with only 0.5% residual oil, virtually complete.
The solvent is recovered again and again. 99.9% recycled. From crude to crystal clear, the art of purification.
Phosphoric acid dosing, gum conditioning, dilute Tidlets, sulfur acid injects into oil.
Phosphoric acid, the first step in purification.
Disc centrifugation, Hygiene separation. Bowl spins at 7,000 rpm.
Gum discharge, lecithin recovery. The separated gums, or lecithin, discharge from the centrifuge, a valuable emulsifier for the food industry.
Lecithin, from waste product to $50 million annual revenue.
Centrifuge separates heavy soap stock from neutralized oil, FFA reduced from 1.2% to 0.05%.
triple washed. Zero soap residue.
Wash water separation and final centrifuging. The centrifuge removes wash water and remaining soap traces.
0.8% clay. Removes 95% of color pigments. Polish filtration, final clarity. Bleached oil passes through a cartridge polishing filter, which removes any remaining fine particles.
Near perfect vacuum, 500 degrees without burning.
Superheated oil enters the top of the packed column. The distribution system ensures an even flow across the tower diameter. The waste contains vitamin E, worth more than you'd think. Nitrogen sparging, oxygen removal. Nitrogen bubbles through cooled oil, strips dissolved oxygen, preventing oxidation during storage. Filtered to 0.5 microns. Purer than drinking water. Antioxidant addition station, shelf life extension. For certain products, natural antioxidants, tocopherols and
Taste panel results are positive.
Great. Color and clarity passed inspection as well. We can approve the batch.
Score 9.2 out of 10. Premium quality.
Ransomat test, oxidative stability. Accelerated aging test predicts shelf life, OSI 12.4 hours. Exceeds 18 months shelf life requirement.
Batch SF260107. Approved for packaging.
Maintenance completion. Return to production. Systems restart. Temperatures stabilize. Production resumes at full rate within 1 hour.
This water balance diagram illustrates our zero liquid discharge system.